I'd say the most challenging part is, well, especially within market research, is I sometimes feel like as a sales rep in something such as market research is you get in front of clients and you can pitch this idea and you can do these bid requests, but sometimes they just don't need the research. If you're selling like a material or something that they can use, it's like if it goes on sale, they can always buy it to use it in the future. But with research, if they no longer need the data, why would they pay for it? And so it's this idea that you're kind of getting in front of them and you're winning them over with what we offer. But if they no longer need the offering, it's not something you can convince them to buy. You know, you have a good relationship with a client and you spend all this time with these bids and you go back and forth on these studies and you help kind of finalize these screeners, and then their end client ends up canceling the deal. And it's like, that's it, on to the next one kind of situation.
I think that can be a tough part, but I think, and I love new business. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I love new business. I love the chase, yeah. And I think you've got to be so resilient because you get that so much, and you can spend hours and days working on proposals and working with a client, to pitch something, and then, the end client doesn't go forward with it, or they choose a different agency to work with. And you've just got to go, right, okay, let's find out what they didn't like, and let's make sure we don't do that on the next one, and move on from it. And I think you do have to have that resilience to be able to dust you down and, pick yourself back up to move on. But I just find that chase part of it quite exciting.